This is the Philips TAT4556 active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds from the Philips 4000 series. On this channel, we've looked at several of Philips headphones, and this is yet another one. Is the first active noise cancelling one. On their website, some of the specs on their website, here is the IPX4 water protection, active noise cancelling, and up to 29 hours of playtime. So it goes on further to say that you get 9 hours playtime from a single charge, and from a fully charged case, you get an additional 20 hours. All this with your active noise cancelling off. Doesn't say anything about how many hours you get with your active noise cancelling on, so I guess we're gonna find that out. Okay, let's move on. And before we do that, let us pop this open and see what are going inside. Pardon my patois. Let's go. When you pop this open, when you open the box, this is what you get. I've got some extra ear tips right here for for large and small, and we have a USB Type-C charging cable in here. We can put that aside for now and let us focus on this, the Philips TAT4556 active noise cancelling earbuds charging case with the earbuds inside. Cool. All right, just looking at it, first of all, I forgot to say, this comes in 4 colors: the green, which is obviously the one we have right now, a black, a white, and purple. So it comes in those 4 colors. Obviously we've got the white, we've got the green one here, and I realized that also that the black one is more expensive than the others. Don't ask me why. I guess it's because probably everybody wants black. So there we go. But anyways, I think they all do the same thing. All right, a nice shape here, like every other Philips earbuds. Nice spool shape, very small, very lightweight. Nice plastic, it doesn't feel cheap at all. That's a good thing. We've got an indicator light right here in front. Underneath, we've got, the usual specs and stuff. Behind, we have the USB Type-C charging port, and we've got the Philips name right on top. This is cool, nice shape, like I said, very lightweight, very good. All right, let's move further. Let's pop this open and see what it looks like inside. No. I don't know why I did that. Forgive. Let's move on. Okay, let me take this out first. Ooh, that's a strong magnet, so let's take this out first. Got these little things that come with for charge protection. Okay, let's just take this out first. There we go. All right, let's put this back in the charge case, and let's do our very first test on it. And if you watch this channel, you know what I'm about to do, so no need to explain. If you don't know what I'm about to do, pay attention right now, and also when you're done, try to check out the other videos on the playlist. Then you'll understand what I did and why I did it. Let's move on. Let's go. All right, it is in place. That's a good thing. And the magnet it's strong, but it works. It's strong. I would like it to be stronger, but it works, so that's a good thing. All right, let's take this out. Let's take this out and actually look at what it looks like. There we go. The new Philips design I'm beginning to notice is the shape of the inner ear. Usually you'd have a little one looking like Apple earbuds with a little stem, maybe a short stem or a long stem, but now we're getting these ones that look like the shape of the inner ear, which is a good thing because I find them more comfortable. So okay, all right, I noticed something here. You see, one complaint I've always had with Philips is the fact that the charge plates are usually dug in the earbuds, but I'm looking at this one right now. That is not the case. Maybe they've been listening now, actually on the surface, so now you're sure you would actually get a charge when you put this back in your charge case. You're not going to be worried about the fact that maybe you missed a pin and you don't get a charge. With this, you're definitely going to get a charge. So +1 for Philips, +1 to Philips. All right, we've got several mics here. There's one here and there's one here. There's one on the side and there's one here. That's good. We also have the pair indicator right here, so that's a good thing. Nice. Okay, this is not a button you can press, so this is with touch control, so that's a good thing. Not a button control, the touch control. Nice. I like the shape of this. I really hope it's that comfortable. Speaking of comfort, let us do a fit test and see how comfortable this feels when we put it on. Wow, this is super comfortable. Like, wow, and it's so silent. It's super comfortable. Like, you get these earbuds that are shaped in the shape of an ear, and you think when you put them on, sometimes they poke your ear, sometimes they put pressure around your ears, but no, this is very, very comfortable. It's not poking, it's not there's no pressure around your ear. It is in place. You could actually run with this. You could exercise with this. It is very comfortable. Wow, that's cool. That is really cool. The ear tip it's so soft. You feel it in your ears as it's just there. It's soft. You know, usually you feel that like there's a foreign body in your ear. There's something that's in your ear that's not supposed to be there. Sometimes when you're using some of those ear tips. This is very, very, very soft. You can hardly feel it in there. It is very comfortable. Well done, Philips. Well done. You know, on this channel we have reviewed a lot of Philips earbuds on this channel. This one for me so far has been the best when it comes to sound quality. I am so whoa. I am surprised. I am surprised by this. The sound from this, it's incredible. I don't believe the sound that comes from this is not something. This is a flagship sound. The sound from here is incredible. It is balanced. The highs and the lows are just there. Nothing is out of place. It is the sounds. The best way I can say it, they complement each other. Wow, I'm impressed, Philips. I'm impressed. Just the one thing though, just the one thing that I have a problem with, just the one thing. But otherwise, this is a winner. Stay tuned and find out what that one thing is. Stay tuned. All right, let us summarize. After using this for 2 weeks, these are my observations and I wrote a note. First, pairing of these, very easy. It's very easy to pair. And I paired and unpaired and tried it again, and I deleted the pairing. I did it over and over again. It was very easy to pair. Not a lot of stress. You just follow the process, trust the process, and it'll pair perfectly for you. And it's not going to be falling off. That's another thing. The connection to this is very, very stable. I exercised with this, did not fall off. The fit was good. It was perfect for me. I don't know about other ear sizes, but for me it was perfect. I ran with it, did a bit of gym work with it, did not fall off. Awesome. Really good. Now, call quality on this is not exactly the best, but it's good enough. It is good enough. Howzit TOB family, this is the sound test of the Philips TAT4556 active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds. Now, I've made several phone calls with this and the sound was good. Like I said, it wasn't the best sound, but it was good enough. They can hear you, you can hear them clearly. If you're using the active noise cancelling, it's better because the outside sound gets silent, so it gets real clear. So like I said, it's not the best sound out there, but it's good enough. It is good enough. Tell me what you think. Let's move on. All right, battery power on this, very, very good. Very good actually, because without the active noise cancelling, you get 29 hours with the charging case, and with the active noise cancelling you get 25 and some change hours with the noise cancelling. That's including the charge from the charging case. So yeah, I think that's good enough. It will take you the whole day at least. Then you can recharge for the night and you carry on the following day. So yeah, that is very good. For me, one other thing that I said I was not impressed by with this earbud is the fact that it does not have a volume control. I tell you, for me, it's like a deal breaker. every earbud has to come with a volume control. There's nothing more frustrating than always having to pull out your device when you want to increase and decrease the volume, when maybe you want to speak to somebody, or you're trying to make a phone call, or even increase the volume of the music you're listening to. You know, when you're having fun and you're enjoying yourself or whatever. Nothing is more frustrating than taking out your device and start reducing the volume or decreasing the volume. No, I believe that control should be on the earbud. You should be able to reduce and increase the volume from your earbuds. So for me, that's a deal breaker. Might not be a deal breaker for you. For me, no. So what's the verdict here? Would I buy this? I am conflicted. I'm telling you the truth. I'm conflicted because the performance from this is incredible. I'll tell you, the sound is incredible. It is, for a budget headset for this price, it is incredible. The only thing I just can't get past is the volume control. Call it nitpicking. Might not be a problem for you. If it's not a problem for you, if that doesn't bother you, then get this. Very good buy for the price. Very good buy. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up anyways. Doesn't take anything from you, but it helps the channel grow. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Check your subscription to this channel. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Until next time, take care.